after such a long period, and moreover being in industry for such a long time practicing CFP, so I overall found it very useful from equity perspective. So it was something new that I learned, and PE is something कि उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि पी इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड जो हमने इस बार सुना होगा, बट इतना डिटेल्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग आपने दिया वो काफी अच्छा था. Secondly, learned very insightful from equity valuation perspective, and how PE is important while identifying some stock to invest, and a good strategy that how you can give certain filters and certain website through which basically you can identify good valuation stocks, and how you can identify overvalued, undervalued stocks and all that.